Good morning. I am speaking to you from Mumbai's Juhu Beach, where, as you can see behind me, is the beautiful landscape of South Mumbai, and on this side is North Mumbai. Today is March 14th, 2021. It happens to be National Pi Day. Pi is the mathematical constant 3.14, and today happens to be 3.14 in the American date format. Why am I speaking to you from Juhu Beach, and why am I speaking to you today? Today signifies the importance of mathematics in our lives. Mathematics is today the crucial backbone both behind artificial intelligence as well as behind the emerging cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin. Today also happens to be a unique day because I believe last night Bitcoin has broken all its highs. I believe the price was around US $60,000. I haven't checked the price today morning. So, why have I chosen to speak to you from Juhu Beach? What can you see behind me? You as is usual in India, you can see lots of people, but as in any other beach in the world, what you can also see is lots of grains of sand. Do you know how many grains of sand are there in the entire earth? The number is huge. It is 10 raised to the power of 18, 18. Well, 23rd March 2020, almost a year back, one of the Federal Bank Reserve Governors of Minneapolis, Mr. Neil Kashkari, made a statement saying that the Fed has an infinite amount of cash to print. Now just imagine, people have been asking me, why is Bitcoin going up so high? Why are Bitcoin prices shooting up day by day? So just imagine if I pick up a handful of sand on the beach, and that happens to be my own personal wealth, and suddenly you have the Federal Bank Reserve Governor of a particular state or a country announcing that he or she is going to flood the market with unlimited amounts of sand. What happens to the sand which I have? That sand, as you must have guessed, the value of that sand becomes practically zero. So, this is one of the main reasons why people are flocking to cryptocurrencies, even though many people do not even understand what, let's say, a Bitcoin does, or how Bitcoin security is safe. Talking of Bitcoin security, since we are on the beach, and since I told you that the number of grains of sand on earth is a figure which is 10 raised to 18, 18. Do you know what is the strength of Bitcoin's security system? Bitcoin security is based on a combination of addresses which are public addresses. These addresses are created from public keys. Don't worry, even though it is National Pi Day, I will not bore you with the mathematics. And most importantly, these public keys are generated from private keys, and these private keys, do you know what is the number of private keys that are possible? I mentioned to you the number of grains. The grains of sand is 10 raised to 18. Well, the number of private keys is a number which is 10 raised to 77. Yes, 10 raised to 77. This is the figure 1 followed by 77 zeros. So you can imagine this figure is larger than the entire number of atoms in the entire universe of 100 observable galaxies. So as we can see, this is a huge number, and that is one of the main reasons today, even almost after 3000 days, the Bitcoin network is still running and its security has not been broken. So from Mumbai on a sunny Sunday morning, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, do send in your comments and feedback. Thank you.